Do you want to learn a method, a formula of managing your finances well? A big problem in the world of affiliate marketing, in fact, the entire world, is that people are not able to manage their finances well. I know people who earn a lot, but by the end of the month, they are almost broke. They live from paycheck to paycheck, so they have to pay the bills, they have to pay the rent, they have to pay for child education, they have to pay for many other things. But although they are at the highest positions in their respective fields, they are not able to manage their finances well. So to help you, I will share a method that I learned from my mentor that has helped me to manage my money without the need of a financial advisor. Hi, I'm Shubhamjeet, and before I share that method, I'd request you to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you do not miss out on any updates. And this is the 19th over of the affiliate marketing T20 series, and as I said, we'll cover how to manage your finances well. Okay, so how to manage your money, and the method I'm going to share is called the TWCGO model. Okay, TWCGO stands for taxes, wealth, charity, general, and operations. So in TWCGO model, you divide your income into 5 different bank accounts or 5 different allocations. Okay, and you allocate your money in 5 sections. Okay, I'll cover each one of them one by one. Okay, in taxes, you reserve your money for GST or income tax, and the ratio is 30% of your income. So whatever you earn, let's say you earn 1 lakh per month, you allocate 30,000 rupees for taxes. Okay, then the next category is W or wealth. Wealth includes investment in real estate, mutual funds, and so on. So wealth means where you invest money and make money by investing money. Okay, so that comes under wealth, and for wealth you allocate 10% of your income. Okay, the next category is charity. Charity includes donation, causes, paying for support, and so on. And for charity, you keep 10% of your income. Okay, then G stands for general, and general includes rent, bill payments, household expenses, vacation, paying for education, and so on. And for general, you keep 30%. Okay, and the last category is operations. For operations include paying for your business tools, investing in ads, paying for marketing, paying the salaries, and so on. And for operations, you keep 20%. Okay, so the ratio is taxes 30%, wealth 10%, charity 10%, general 30%, operations 20%. Okay, I'll zoom out so you can take a screenshot of this mind map. Okay, yes, you can see that, and once you have taken the screenshot, please type done in the chat box. Done. Perfect. Okay, so now I'll share my screen, I'll open my browser and show you a TWCGO model sheet that I've created for my paid community. Okay, this is the TWCGO model sheet, and let's say your income is 50,000. So 15,000 will go to tax, 5,000 for wealth, 5,000 for charity, 15,000 for general, and 10,000 for operations. Okay, let's say your income is 30,000. Then 9,000 will go to tax, 3,000 to wealth, 3,000 to charity, 9,000 to general, and 6,000 to operations. Okay, now I'll return to my mind map. So look, the aim of the TWCGO model is to allocate your money to different areas of life in a way that you have an idea on the limit that you have on each area. Okay, so as we saw in the sheet, if you earn 30,000, the most you can spend is 9,000. 9,000 is your limit to invest in probably your lifestyle. Okay, another thing I'd like to add is, although the ratio is 30 10 10 30 20, you can change it as per your lifestyle, as per your current situation, and gradually shift to the 30 10 10 30 20 ratio. Okay, so that's about this video. Now I want to ask you a simple question. If you are an affiliate marketer, do you want to make 1 lakh rupees per month? If yes, do you want to sell once and earn repeatedly? In my community, I will share a list of products that you can sell once, and until your customers renew the subscription, you will make commissions. So you have to sell once and you'll earn over and over. If that's you, I'd suggest you join my community by clicking the link in the video description. I'll also pin the link in the comments box, so it will be the first link in the comments box. Click the link, enroll now, and you'll get immediate access to my paid community. Okay? So that's about this video. In this video, I shared a very powerful TWCGO model that I learned from my mentor, Mr. Siddharth Rajshekhar, and it has helped me to to manage my expenses, to allocate my expenses, to allocate my finances in such a way that now I do not have to live from paycheck to paycheck. Okay, so it has made my life easier financially, and I am sure if you start using the TWCGO model in your life, it will make your life easier as well. Okay, so that's about this video. If this video provided you with value, please give it a thumbs up and share your feedback in the comments box below. And if you'd like to see content related to affiliate marketing, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you do not miss out on any updates from myself. Okay, so that's about it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.